Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our YouTube channel. Our criminal defense law firm in Illinois has over 400 perfect reviews and a long history of client satisfaction, dismissals, charge reductions, and victories. We have created these audio articles to help protect your freedom, reputation, and rights. If hired for your case, we will not give up until you get fair justice. Public Indecency Defense Lawyer in Southern Illinois. Being charged with public indecency in Southern Illinois can be both embarrassing and overwhelming. You may be worried about your future, your reputation, and what a conviction could mean for your personal and professional life. At Combs Waterkotte, we understand the high stakes involved. Our criminal defense attorneys bring years of experience, discretion, and strategic insight to every case, helping you protect your name, your record, and your peace of mind. If you're facing public indecency charges, contact Combs Waterkotte or call 618-88-CRIME for a free and confidential consultation. What is public indecency in Illinois? Under 720 Illinois Compiled Statutes 51130, public indecency in Illinois typically involves exposure or sexual acts in a public place with the intent to arouse or offend. This can include lewd exposure of the body in public, sexual acts or simulated acts in public view, engaging in or soliciting indecent behavior near minors. Although often charged as a misdemeanor, a conviction can carry long-term consequences, especially if you have prior offenses or if a minor was present. The law is written broadly, meaning even a misunderstanding or false accusation can lead to criminal charges. Penalties for public indecency in Southern Illinois. Most first-time public indecency charges are considered Class A misdemeanors in Illinois, carrying up to 364 days in jail and a fine of up to $2,500. However, you may face more severe penalties under certain circumstances. Repeat offenses. A second or subsequent conviction may be elevated to a Class 4 felony, punishable by up to 3 years in prison. Offenses involving minors. If the alleged indecent act was committed in view of a child, prosecutors may pursue felony charges or attempt to classify the incident under more serious sex crime statutes. Sex offender registration. While not automatic, felony public indecency charges could result in registration as a sex offender under certain circumstances. The stigma of these penalties can be life-altering, impacting employment, housing, relationships, and your overall reputation. Why you need a Southern Illinois Public Indecency Defense Lawyer. Public indecency charges may seem minor on the surface, but the legal and personal consequences can be severe and long-lasting. Even a misdemeanor conviction can leave a permanent stain on your criminal record, threaten your job prospects, and bring lasting embarrassment. If the case involves a child or is charged as a felony, you may even face prison time and the possibility of sex offender registration. That's why hiring an experienced Southern Illinois public indecency defense attorney is essential. At Combs Waterkotte, we understand the unique sensitivity and high stakes of these cases. Our attorneys work quickly and discreetly to assess the facts, challenge weak evidence, and build a strong defense strategy tailored to your situation. We're committed to minimizing damage to your reputation and future, and in many cases, we're able to get charges reduced or dismissed entirely. If you've been accused of public indecency in Southern Illinois, don't face the system alone. Let our experienced defense team protect your name, your record, and your future. Call us now at 618-88-CRIME or reach out online to discuss the specifics of your case. How a public indecency defense lawyer can help in Southern Illinois. When you're facing public indecency charges, you need more than just a lawyer. You need a skilled defense team that's been there before and knows how to win. At Combs Waterkotte, we've represented thousands of clients across Illinois and have the courtroom experience and legal strategy to protect your future and reputation. Why you should hire Combs Waterkotte to defend public indecency charges in Southern Illinois. We know how to protect your reputation. Our team works discreetly to keep embarrassing charges from becoming public crises. We've handled hundreds of complex criminal cases across Southern Illinois, including indecent exposure and lewd conduct. We challenge weak evidence and unfair assumptions, especially in cases involving misinterpretation or mistaken identity. We understand local courts, prosecutors, and judges, and use that insight to tailor strong, effective defense strategies. We're trial-tested attorneys ready to defend you aggressively in court if your case can't be dismissed or resolved favorably. We explore every legal angle, including lack of intent or constitutional violations, to seek dropped or reduced charges. We offer clear communication, so you're never left in the dark about what's happening or what to expect next. We fight for outcomes that protect your record, job, and future, because we know what's at stake goes far beyond the courtroom. Defending against public indecency charges in Southern Illinois. At Combs Waterkotte, we look closely at the facts of your case and how law enforcement gathered evidence. Our team works discreetly and efficiently to reduce charges or pursue dismissal. We understand the personal nature of these cases and are committed to helping you avoid both legal and social consequences. Possible defenses include mistaken identity or false accusation, lack of intent to offend, private behavior misinterpreted as public, constitutional violations during search or arrest. Why choose Combs Waterkotte for public indecency defense? Combs Waterkotte brings over 60 years of combined criminal defense experience to every case. Whether your charges stem from a misunderstanding, a false accusation, or a mistake, we treat you with dignity and fight to protect your future. Thousands of cases successfully handled. Discreet, compassionate legal counsel. Extensive experience with Southern Illinois courts. Clear communication and full transparency from day one. Contact a Southern Illinois public indecency lawyer today. A conviction for public indecency can follow you for years, but it doesn't have to. Let us help you take control of your case and your future. Contact Combs Waterkotte today or call 618-88-CRIME to schedule your free consultation with a Southern Illinois Public Indecency Defense Lawyer.